Now, actors ask me all the time, should I know all of my lines before I start the rehearsal process? I would say no, because directors often cut text, and if you've learned to hold text in a particular sequence and a bit suddenly gets cut away, then it's difficult sometimes to repiece your thinking. Also, it offers no opportunity for collaborative input. A director will have a very committed idea about what they want from performance, but they will allow you the freedom to explore that part for yourself. So come prepared, come with ideas, but don't come with a fossilised idea about this is how I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to be flexible in terms of what the director can suggest. Now, this is just a little technical tip for you. You'll meet other actors for the first read-through of a script, so that's the first day of rehearsal. The first morning is usually taken up by reading the play aloud. It's the first time you get to meet the whole of the company. You'll be shown the set box or the design for the stage. It's a moment really to talk to your costume designer about the practicalities of your costume and what you might be able to ask them to put for you into the rehearsal space to enable you to create performance opportunities. For example, a pocket watch or a box of snuff, a fan, a walking cane, a hat, a pair of gloves, anything that might help you to create performance opportunities. So ask for those early on. Always take a pencil with you into the rehearsal room along with an eraser, because you'll make notes and you'll change ideas and you'll be shifting things around in the text. So you'll need to be able to make those marks for yourself. Now, when you're working with scripts, either for television or theatre, or for radio, in fact, it works in all of those mediums, you'll need to know where to put it. That's not the right place. This is the right place, so just step slightly onto the back foot, and then it opens out your spine so you can still do all that catch breath work of bringing the breath into the body, and you can just glance at the script and you can then be available for action and reaction in relation to the other actors in the space. So a professional actor, one that will work and work and work, is one that pre-prepares, that looks for the clues in the text, that looks at the hints and the suggestions from the playwright and brings to that first day of rehearsal, that first week of rehearsal, ideas that are already in formation because you've interacted with the text, you've looked at the units and you've decided how you're going to objectify each one of those ideas. So you're coming to that first day of rehearsal with pre-planned ideas, but also you're open to the spontaneous possibilities of the ensemble.